This video is only about thermal pollution on environment. So let's start. Uh, in this slide is about sources of thermal pollution. The first source is thermal power plant. Uh, Second is nuclear power plant. Third is petrochemical industries. And next is steel company, industrial effluent, steam water, hydropower, and the last is natural sources. Natural sources can be hot water spring, volcanic, coal field areas. Next slide, we will see the effects of thermal pollution. So first effect is decrease the level of DO, dissolved oxygen on water, increases metabolic rate of aquatic animal. Metabolic rates will increase of aquatic animals in the water bodies, inside of the water bodies. Increase anaerobic bacteria. Anaerobic bacteria will form more faster, rapidly grow uh, inside the water or another uh, areas. After the enzyme metabolism, it will increase. After the enzyme metabolism, they increase the anaerobic bacteria so much fastly. Next is blue-green algae get replaced diatom. Next is thermal shock, death of organism because of thermal shock. Hot water when will go the inside of any water bodies, then that aquatic animals get shock, which is thermal shock, and because of that shock they will die. And next is migration of aquatic animals. Aquatic animal will migrate from one place to the another place. And the next is habitat bacteria. Habitat bacteria will form for permanently on a particular places. Next is coral bleaching. Coral will be lost. Region coral reef will be decreased from will decrease gradually. Next slide is control measures. The first control measure is cooling tower. Second is cooling pond. Third is cogeneration. And the last is planting of trees around the ponds. So these are the control. How we can control by these measures to reduce thermal pollution. Last is water quality index. Water quality index can be divided or can be categorized within three standards, which is drinking water quality standards. Second is irrigation water quality, and third is recreational water quality standards. From these three standards, we can summarize the water quality index category. Water quality index, we get five water quality indexes. We get five water quality index from these water quality standards. The first is 0 to 5, which is considered as excellent water quality and its grade is A. Second is 26 to 50. It is considered as good and its grade is B. The third one is 51 to 75. It is considered as poor water quality and its grade is C. And the fourth one is 76 to 100. It is considered as very poor water quality and it is also not for drinking. It can be used for, it is hardly used for another work, and its grade is D. And the last one is very dangerous, which is more greater than 100, and it is not for drinking as well as not for other works. Its grade is E. Its grade is E. So that's all, and thank you.